So all non-essential businesses in Singapore are set to be closed tomorrow. This is my last day in my studio, and I'm going to show you guys how we're cleaning up and how we're going to prepare for the lockdown.
That the entirety of the cosmos is accessible through each and every individual's mind, connecting to the great mind, the great spirit.
So welcome back to the channel, collectors. I know it's kind of late, but I think it's never late than never. While we are cleaning up, I might as well give you guys a little tour about around the studio, and you guys can see where I work. So as you can see right here, this is our display. Also, if you guys didn't know, we are also we are fully fledged studio with fully stocked paints, Citadel, Vallejo, Scale 75, and Chimera, and many more. Alright, so yeah, you'd be quite sad to see this place closed for a month, but no choice. So right here, where I work. This is my desk, which I'll be leaving for a month, which is kind of sad. Yep, so I have everything here. So welcome to my home, collectors. So you've seen me pack up the studio, and now we've got to stay home for a month. So I'm just going to show you what I brought back from my studio. It's going to be a very basic setup, and yeah, I guess it's back to square one because Kolectiv started from my living room, and now I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to paint for my living room once again. So right here we have my computer. Alright, so moving on. Here are some of the things I brought back. Hand sanitizer, very important. And here are some of my projects that I'm working on right now. I want to finish this cat diorama within the week. Then this is my side project. I will be working on her on and off. You guys will be seeing some of her. So I brought back the entire range of Chimera paints. And some of these paints behind here. So the Vallejo paints. I tend to use these colors a lot. These three colors are some of my favorites, especially this German beige, because it's a neutral color. I like to use it as a neutral grey. Okay, brought back some scale colors too. So scale color black, and my wet palette. For my brushes, I always bring my essential brushes. So I brought I think this is size 0 and the size 000. And I got a size 2 somewhere here. Yep. Brought back some glue. Alright. I also brought back my brush soap. And the brush gel, as you can see over here, you've seen me use them in many of my videos. Okay, so as for projects, what you guys can look forward to, I didn't bring a lot back, but for next week's Stay Home and Paint, I brought home the Hospitaller. I've actually got quite a number of projects that I can do for myself. So I have Road Girl over here. I have Ragnar, which I might do. Okay, Ragnar's over here. Focus. Alright. And I also have this Sisters of Battle diorama I have on my side. Alright. So much for my very basic setup. Of course, wet palette, it's sponge, and then my brush washing dish. So collectors, that was my home setup. As you guys can see, you don't really need a lot of stuff to paint. Just need some basic stuff, and I think for me, over the years with more experience, I've started using colors, I've started understanding colors a little bit more. Therefore, I'm not using as many colors because I'm mixing a lot of the colors and I'm adapting as I go. So yeah, that's my setup. So what are your setups at home? Let me know in the comments below. What do you bring home? We're gonna be staying home for a month, so this is gonna be the backdrop for a month, and you guys get to enjoy staying home with me. Alright, so I hope to paint along with you. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon so you know when we post the next videos. We post videos on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and sometimes Saturdays. Okay, they are posted 7 PM plus 8 GMT Singapore time, essentially. Alright, so if you really want to support the channel, I have 3 Patreons already. I'm really happy, but I hope I can get more patrons so that, yeah, it keeps me producing awesome content like this every day, so that yeah, everybody gets to learn, everybody gets to become better painters together. For patrons gets early access to many of my videos and some exclusive videos and tutorials, and also you guys get to ask me questions, and I'll be very happy to share them with you so that we all get to become better painters together. Alright, so I hope to see you next video. Everybody stay home and stay safe.